Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and selecting a project template so you can use generative tools immediately. Once done, prepare a concise prompt with desired tone, color palette, and output format. Make sure to upload your logo and 1 or 2 reference images so the AI matches your brand. You'll also set canvas dimensions and any text placeholders now. This avoids rework. Finally, name your file clearly so versioning stays simple as you iterate with AI. Now generate multiple variations and evaluate composition and clarity. Choose the direction you like. You will iterate by refining prompts, tighten descriptors, swap adjectives, or ask for alternate cropping, because small prompt changes yield big visual differences. Make sure to use Canva's layer and alignment controls to fix spacing and legibility, and replace placeholder copy with concise messaging. Once you approve a direction, export a draft and test assets in intended context, then return to the editor to polish interactions and microcopy. To finish, export the approved design in the correct format and resolution for its destination, and create platform-specific variants so you don't redo work later. You should save a master editable file in Canva and label each export clearly. If the generative result looks off, simplify your prompt, remove complex requests, or lower image size to reduce processing errors. If colors shift, upload a color swatch and insist on exact hex codes. This fixes most mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.